Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today, I've got something super exciting to talk about, Plachon Block. Plachon Block is a game changer for blockchain security. It's closely monitoring transactions on the blockchain, providing precise alert before attack transactions are executed, and take automatic actions to fight hackers back. Here's where the real magic happens. When Plachon Block spots pending attack transactions in memory pool, it doesn't just sit around. It springs into action, creating something called a rescue smart contract. And then it sends rescue transactions, using advanced techniques. These tricks ensure our transactions are lightning fast, and get ahead of those sneaky attack transactions. It's like having a crypto superhero. Now, let's take a look at some of the impressive milestones we've hit. In 2022, we secured an impressive $3.8 million for saddle finance, and managed to recover $300,000 for transit swap. And the success story doesn't end there. In 2023, we proudly recover $5 million for Paraspace, and $2.4 million for Platypus. Over the past 2 years, we managed to rescue $14 million. Plachon Block is your crypto guardian angel. Join the waitlist. Be the first to experience our outstanding services.